Top 10 cat breeds in the world. Number 1. Maine Coon cat. This is a mighty Maine Coon cat. This breed is known for its large size and long silky coat. These breeds are not only cute and affectionate, they are also intelligent and easy to train. The Maine Coon is the perfect family pet. Number 2. Ragdoll cat. This breed of cat likes to be carried and cuddled, hence the name. Known to be very calm and open to cuddling well, these cats are the perfect addition to a family with children. Some have been known to even play with dress-up. Despite their long and silky fur, ragdolls lack an undercoat. The breed is also easy to train, which makes the ragdoll a great cat that is versatile. Number 3. Scottish Fold. The Scottish Fold is easy to spot by folded ears. This cat is in great demand because of its distinctive appearance and desirable personality. This is a loyal type who bonds with someone but is still open to communicating with new people. The Scottish Fold enjoys attention when you can give it, but it will still happily spend your day lying down. Number 4. Siamese cat. These cats are known for their striking blue eyes. This is one of the most well-known cat breeds. If you are looking for a cat to be your best friend, the Siamese cat's social personality is perfect. This breed will tirelessly follow its owner and talk by meowing. With this wild personality, Siamese enjoys being home with their families to fulfill their need for affection. Number 5. American Shorthair. The American Shorthair is a fun environment for every household. This is a medium-sized breed that can adapt to any lifestyle. These intelligent social cats will have fun with their owners or even house guests, but will also enjoy a good reprieve when needed. Number 6. Persian cat. Persians are couch potatoes. They love affection and make great friends. And if you leave them alone, you are more likely to find them in the same place when you get back. This lazy cat sits all day and can make great friends at night. Careful, a daily haircut is necessary to keep the Persian cat commensurate with his royal personality. Number 7. Sphynx cat. If you have ever seen hairless cat, it's more likely a Sphynx cat. Despite its name, the Sphynx originated in Canada due to a recessive gene that causes cats to be hairless. This breed shows their loyalty by following their owners and even wagging their tails. Some owners describe their personality as dog. Hairless, these cats are known to hug each other warmly and even wear sweaters. Number 8. Bengal cat. The stunning Bengal cat originally evolved as a hybrid of an Asian leopard cat and a domestic cat, but is now bred by breeding Bengals with other Bengals. Although Bengals may look like bobcats, they are very friendly and loving companions. They enjoy people and animals. If you are bored, Bengal's wild side will shine and you will probably find it aloof, hiking and exploring its surroundings. Number 9. Exotic Shorthair. Like Persians, exotic Shorthair is very cute, docile and sweet. When you are not snuggled in your lap, this breed is always a great time to play. Unlike their Persian relatives, this breed does not really need a haircut, so it is sometimes referred to as the lazy Persian. Number 10. Burmese cat. Burmese cats love to be the center of every household. These cute companions enjoy interacting and following their owners everywhere. This breed is known to be interactive and social. These cats love to be cuddled and prefer a household where they can get attention but enjoy being around other pets.